You know that feeling when your energy just clicks back on, like someone finally turned the lights back up? That's been the kind of week that I've just had. After a week of slow progress, hormone dip, and second guessing everything, I suddenly felt energized. I felt strong and balanced again. And here's the best part. I've just finished week 4 of my cycle, and for the first time in I don't know how long, I've had no bloating, I've had no swelling, zero physical PMS symptoms, and this reset is actually working and I can feel it. I'm now 7 weeks into this keto and intermittent fasting reset, syncing my approach with my menstrual cycle, the way Dr. Mindy Pelz recommends. My cycle length shifts a little each month, 24 days last month, 26 this month, but overall it's still really regular. And for the first time in a long time, I've reached this phase of my cycle feeling calmer, clear headed, genuinely feeling good in my body. So let's talk energy, because this week it's been so much better, so much better. I've done a couple of jogs, I've done 3 yoga sessions, I've actually felt like I've wanted to move. I've not been forcing myself, I've not been dragging myself out of bed. I just had that natural, I've got energy to burn feeling again. Not too hardcore, but I'll take it. I think the creatine monohydrate might finally be kicking in. It's hard to explain, but I just feel a bit bouncier, a bit stronger, a bit more resilient, more alive. And my sleep has been a lot better these last couple of months too. I had one rough night last week where I woke up after about 3 hours, couldn't really get back to sleep for maybe an hour, a couple hours, but compared to the awful midnight waking insomnia I had before the reset, this was absolutely nothing. Because when I do sleep, it's deep, it's proper, I feel restored in the morning, it's dream heavy, and the type of dreams I'm having has shifted as well. They were getting really dark, anxious, stress filled, but now they just seem a bit lighter, calmer, happier, and I wake up actually feeling rested. Mentally, perimenopause still plays tricks throughout the month, but the self-sabotaging thoughts just creep in, bit of anxiety. But yeah, I'm anticipating they're going to get better as well. But physically, my body feels like it's thriving on this new approach. My blood pressure's still coming down. It's coming down slowly but steadily. It's definitely not perfect yet, but the trend is moving in the right direction. Honestly, I'm fine with it, as long as it's moving, as long as it's progressing. BMI chart would still class me as overweight, but I'm watching every number move in the right direction, and that's what matters. My weight, I'm down another 2 pounds since last week, so that's 18 pounds altogether. But more importantly, clothes are fitting better. My shape feels like it's changing. I'm feeling lighter. Like, I don't think since I bought this blouse I've ever been able to wear it and have the excess room around it. So yeah, I'm happy with that. And as I said in my last video, I've been tracking things now. So I'm tracking measurements, chest, arms, waist, hips, thighs, everything's decreased. Thighs and arms especially. And I'm officially at the top of the next dress size down, which, I've got a way to go, but that just feels really good. Food wise, I have been, focused. That's not changing. And I'm tracking every macro just to make it easier to hit each of the macros at the end of the day. And I'm using AI. It's made it so simple. There's a few clever prompts and shortcuts that make logging food effortless. And I will do a full video showing exactly how I use that. So if that's something you'd find helpful, just drop a comment below and I'll read every comment and I'll be sure to make that video. Now moving on to food happiness. I definitely have my top 2 keto recipes for this week. Super simple, super quick. First one was I found a recipe and I tweaked a recipe for cottage cheese keto bread. Must be honest, I thought it was going to be awful. I almost didn't make it because I didn't want to waste the ingredients. But wow, it's turned out really, really well. It's soft, it's satisfying, lovely toasted with some butter, and honestly my new favourite food substitute. And there will be in my short recipe list, there will be a link to how to make that there. Then the second one, baked eggs with chorizo or baked eggs with pepperoni. 2 slices, couple of slices of the meat in a ramekin, crack in the eggs, add salt, add pepper, bit of garlic powder, cheese grated on top, pop it in the air fryer for 9 minutes if you want it kind of harder boiled, and it's so good. So then I'm going to pair that with the cottage cheese bread, and I think that's just going to be my new break my fast go-to meal. Super simple, super easy. So I've reached the end of my kind of last week, 4-week cycle. So, and that's what Dr. Mindy Pelz calls the kind of nurture phase. That's when your body needs more nourishment, less fasting intensity, and a gentler rhythm. So I'm at the end of that. So I've done a 21-hour fast and a 22-hour fast the last couple of days. And next week I can do the longer fast for a couple more days as well, adding in more healthy fats, complex carbs. Yeah, just to help keep my meals aligned with my hormones without losing progress. So that's it, my week 7. Can't believe I'm there already. Keto and fasting review, energy's back, sleep's deeper, no physical PMS symptoms, 2 pounds down, finally feel like I'm thriving again this week. Next week's week 8. If you're in your 40s or your 50s, navigating perimenopause, or not navigating perimenopause, and trying to figure out how to make fasting actually work with your hormones, or making fasting and low carb approach just work, just make sure you check in, because we'll see what happens over the next week and the coming weeks. We are, 18 pounds down in 7 weeks, and just feeling the way that I'm feeling. I feel like I want to just stand on a little soapbox and talk about this approach and encourage people to think seriously about adopting a similar diet and lifestyle approach. We got this. You got this. You